Hi dear students, welcome to the classes. After learning the chemical property of haloalkanes, we are going for the next part is a chemical property of haloarenes. In that chemical property of haloalkane, learning that in haloalkane we learn that substitution reaction. In that substitution reaction, there are two types of substitution mechanisms. One is called as SN1 mechanism and SN2 mechanism. Next, after that, we learned elimination reactions. In that elimination reactions, again we learned that E1 elimination reactions and E2 elimination reactions. Next, after that, reactions with metals. In that we learnt Wood's reactions as well as Grignard reactions. These are what we learnt in the chemical property of haloalkane. In that chemical property of haloalkanes, we learned substitution reaction. In that substitution reaction, which is going to substitute either nucleophile or electrophile, we learnt only the nucleophile. And one more question I am asking from this. If you know the answer, just comment me. In this haloalkanes, the haloalkanes always involve only nucleophilic substitution reaction. These haloalkanes are not involved in the electrophilic substitution reactions. Why? If you know this, okay. If you don't know, I will discuss it in the last of my videos class. Okay. In the last of this haloalkanes video class, haloarenes chapter. Next, after that, we are going for the next concept. These are what all reactions with the haloalkane. And next one, we are going for the haloarene. But we know that what is meant by haloalkanes. We know that haloalkanes means a halogen derivative of alkyls, alkane groups, or alkane derivative of halogen. This is what alkane. The alkane means take example methane chain. The carbon chain attached to the linear aliphatic hydrocarbon. Attached to the halogen, they are called as haloalkane. If arene means haloarene means benzene attached to the halogen atom. Benzene attached to the halogen, they are called as haloarenes. These are the haloalkane. Haloalkanes also called as alkyl halides. These alkyl halides involved in the following. These are the reactions: nucleophilic substitution reactions, elimination reactions, and metal reactions with metal. One more thing, these haloalkanes involve only nucleophilic substitution, but it does not involve in the electrophilic substitution reaction. So I hope you know. If you don't know, I will discuss it at the end of this chapter. Then after that, this is what a haloarene. These haloarenes are involved in the which type of reaction? That is what we have to learn in this video session. We learn that these haloarenes are not at all involved in the nucleophilic substitution reaction. These haloalkanes and these haloarenes are not involved in the nucleophilic substitution reaction. These haloarenes are not involved in the nucleophilic substitution. Why it is, I will explain just now. Next, after that, these haloarenes are involved in the electrophilic substitution reaction. Electrophilic substitution reaction. And next, again same, there are also reactions with metals. One more thing, in this haloalkanes and haloarenes is very important difference. These haloalkanes are not reactions with electrophile, but they are these haloarenes are reactions with electrophile. And next, these haloarenes are reactions with electrophile. They are not reactions, but they are not at all reactions with nucleophile. These haloarenes, but these haloalkanes are reactions with the nucleophile. Why it is like this, I will explain it very shortly. You see here. This is what simplest one haloalkane, and next it is what simplest haloarene. This is what simplest haloarene. If it undergo ionization, it gives rise to methyl carbocation. Next one, X minus. Next, if it undergo ionization, it gives rise to phenyl carbocation. This is what phenyl carbocation. This is what methyl carbocation. Methyl carbocation, and next this one is called as phenyl carbocation. In this you see here, just studying this methyl carbocation. This methyl carbocation is somewhat stable, but this phenyl carbocation is very unstable. This is unstable. And next one more thing, and this phenyl carbocation, there is a pi electrons are there. The pi electrons are means they are free electron. They are already free electrons means they are already electron rich. They are electron rich species. They are electron rich. They are electron rich means they does not take any extra electron. They are electron rich means they does not take any external electron. But these alkyl carbocation, this methyl carbocation is electron deficient. This is what electron deficient compound. Therefore, if it is electron deficient means it will takes the electron. If it take the electron means which is electron donor? Which is electron donor? Electron donor is a nucleophile. Nucleophile means this is what nucleophile. Nucleophile means electron donor. Electron donor. Therefore, these are electron donor. Therefore, they are giving to the unstable carbocation. Therefore, these haloalkanes are involved with only nucleophile. If it is electrophile means they are electron deficient species. They are also electron deficient species. Nothing will be happen. If it is electron deficient means we have to give electron rich species, right? That's why this electrophilic substitution reaction does not involve for the haloalkane. But go for this haloarine, this phenyl is unstable and electron rich. Electron rich means why it is take nucleophile, electrophile this benzyl phenyl carbocation already rich ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ why it will take again extra electron. That's why this electron nucleophile means this is electron rich. Therefore, it does not attach to the benzene because already it has sufficient number of electrons, that is 3 pi electron extra is there. Therefore, this nucleophilic substitution reaction does not take. But instead of this, it will take place the electrophile. Electrophile is electron deficient, it is electron rich. Therefore, this electron rich species attack to the benzene. Therefore, this is what main difference when learning in the physical chemical property of haloalkanes and haloarine. There does not reactions with electrophile, but they are reactions with electrophile. That's why we are learning chemical property of haloarines very systematically. Next one, go for the some reasons are there for why these haloarines does not involve in the nucleophilic reactions. Reasons for why the reason for nucleophilic substitution. Reasons for why the nucleophilic substitution reactions. The reasons for why the nucleophilic substitution reactions not involved with haloarines. Otherwise, why these haloarines does not involve in the nucleophilic substitution? That's the simplest question. They are asked a 3 marks question also. 3 marks question they are asked and 2018 maybe. Why the haloarines does not involve the nucleophilic substitution reaction? I will go for one by one. Why this haloarine does not involve in the nucleophilic substitution reaction? First one, resonance stability. Resonance stability, I will tell you. What is this resonance stability of this haloalkane, these haloarines? See here, These haloarines does not involve in the nucleophilic substitution reaction. In that, the first one is resonance stability. What is this resonance stability? You see here. From this, you are going to understand. You see here, you are already learning the Dart structure for Lewis. Dart structure for 17th group element, that is halogen. The halogens outermost 7 electron. Therefore, these are what 7 electron. This 1 electron is involved in the bonding with a benzene. Therefore, this is what there are Dart structure means there are outermost 7 electron. If you are writing the resonance structure, you see here these pi electrons are moving throughout the ring, benzene ring. They are free electron, therefore they are moving towards the benzene ring. You see here. This resonance structure while learning as well as writing the resonance structure is very, very important, dear students. This while learning and while writing the resonance structure is also very, very important. See here. It's very difficult to draw the resonance structure. Please practice this. Whenever practice, then only it will come understanding. You see here, in this resonance structure, these haloarines are involved in the this resonance stability. Resonance stability, you have to practice this resonance structure. It's very difficult to. This one arrow mark also very important while learning, while drawing the resonance structure. Therefore, they are very, very important. You see here, in this resonance stability, what is resonance stability? These haloarines, these halogens having outermost three pair of electrons. In this one pair of electrons involved in this moment of electrons in the benzene ring. Due to this moment, this formation of one double bond with the halogen atom. You see here, this is what formation of double bond. This formation of double bond, it is very stable. It is very stable. Therefore, this stability, this resonance structure makes this bond very stable. The resonance structure makes this halogens and benzene ring bond formation, that makes very stable bond. Therefore, due to this resonance stability of these halides with benzene, this it does not goes outside. ಇದು ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲ, ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಕೇಸಿಂದ್ರೆ ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯೋಫೈಲ್ ಬಂದು ಅಟ್ಯಾಕ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಇದು ಹೊರಗಡೆನೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗುವುದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ it does not go outside means how it is involved in the nucleophilic substitution reaction. It attacks very strongly with a double bond. Therefore, this nucleophilic substitution reaction for haloarines is not possible because of it is first reason. Next, this is the first reason. It's very simple, dear students. You see here, single bond ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಈಸಿಲಿ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೋಗಬಹುದಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಈ ರಿಸೋನೆನ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಟೆಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಇನ್ವಾಲ್ವ್ ಆಗೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಡಬಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಡಬಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬರೀ ಒಂದೇ ದಾರ ಕಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ, ಎರಡು ದಾರ ಕಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ, ಎರಡು ಬಾಂಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಆಯ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಬಾಂಡ್ ವೆರಿ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಇದು ಬಾಂಡ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ ಆಯ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಬಹಳ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. That's why this is not involved in the nucleophilic substitution. Next reason for this one is hybridization. Hybridization. You see here in this haloarines, alkyl halides. Next is called as haloarine. In this haloarines, this is what sp3 hybridized. Yes, right. This is sp3 hybridized. There is no any carbon single bond. There is no any carbon double bond. All are single bond. Therefore, it is sp3 hybridized. You see here, this benzene is consist of sp2 carbon. Therefore, if it is sp2 carbon, sp2, this halogen attached to the sp2 carbon atom in a haloarine. In my first class only, introduction only, I told this one. In haloarine, this halogen attached to the carbon containing sp2 hybridized carbon. But in this haloalkane, this halogen attached to the sp3 carbon. If it is sp3 carbon, means they are very loosely, they are somewhat, the bond length is more. If it is sp2, means somewhat bond length is very less. If it is 177 picometer, means it is 163 picometer. You see here, 173 under somewhat they are apart. If they are 169, they are somewhat close. They are close means this bond breaking is very difficult. Due to this sp2 hybridization, this bond is very strong and it is very difficult to break. In haloalkane, this bond is sp3 hybridized and it is somewhat far away, and therefore it is very easy to break the bond. It is very easy to break the bond because of due to it is sp3 hybridization and it is sp2 hybridization. And next reason is instability of carbocation. Instability of phenyl carbocation. You see here, in this haloarine, if haloarine is there, if you apply some axial condition, okay, we break this bond. After breaking this bond, it forms one carbocation, right? This is positive charge and next this is one X minus. This phenyl, this benzene ring carries positive charge. Benzene ring carries positive charge. They are called as what? Phenyl carbocation. This phenyl carbocation is very unstable. If very unstable irtadandra, it is very difficult to isolate and it is very difficult to reactions with other atoms or molecules. Therefore, due to this instability, this reaction is not nucleophilic substitution reaction is not possible. If suppose it is haloalkane is there. If it is haloalkane, means it is tertiary carbocation. This tertiary carbocation is very stable. This carbocation is very stable. That's why it involved in the SN1 reaction. Okay, it is one stability of this carbocation. Next one is very simple. Okay, next one is because of due to repulsion. Because of due to repulsion. You see here, just now I told this for this phenyl carbocation. If so, phenyl carbocation is formed. This phenyl carbocation you have to go for attack nucleophile. This carbocation is electron rich. And this nucleophile also electron rich. If electron rich, this is also electron rich, this is also electron rich, it will take place any reaction? No. If it is electron rich, we have to add electron deficient compound. Therefore, electron rich reaction does not. Therefore, positive charge going to repel. Like charges are repel each other. This is called as electron rich. This is also electron rich. Therefore, they are going to repel. And therefore, their repulsion takes place in between these two. Therefore, this nucleophile substitution reaction does not take place for the haloarenes. Okay. This is what 4 reasons are there, ultimate reasons. Dear students, please understand these videos. Don't skip this video. If you skip this video, you are not at all understanding any simple concept also. Okay. Next one. If apart from this, some reactions are taking place. You see here. I will write some reactions. These haloarenes. This is what chlorobenzene. the chlorobenzene and go for the heat around 660 degrees Kelvin, 300 atmospheric pressure, 300 atmospheric pressure with NaOH. It forms phenol. Okay, notice, still so far I have given the reasons why this nucleophilic substitution does not involve in the benzene haloarenes, but from these reactions you are going to confuse entirely. This chlorine is going outside, this OH minus is attacking it, therefore it is nucleophilic substitution reaction. Of course, everyone from observing we are going to conclude this one only, but it is not a nucleophilic substitution reaction, dear student. It is one more type of reactions called as ipso substitution. Ipso substitution reactions. What is meant by ipso substitution reactions? You see here, this alkyl, okay, you see here, this chlorobenzene is there. For this chlorobenzene, if you apply some temperature, whatever this condition, this OH minus ion attached to this carbon and it is again leaving. Therefore, it forms phenol. It does not forms any carbocation and intermediate. Intermediate carbocation yaudu formation avangilla. It attacks here and it is leaving. It does not forms any intermediate. It is called as ipso substitution reactions. Therefore, if it forms intermediate, it does not forms any intermediate here. In this reaction, it does not forms OH as well as Cl. Therefore, after giving it goes to phenol. Therefore, it does not forms any intermediate. It is called as ipso substitution reaction. They are given in NCERT. Don't confuse. They are in above in that side page. They are given why nucleophilic substitution does not involve in the rings. Again, they are given example. Don't confuse. They are called as ipso substitution reactions. And next one, they are given some other 3 to 4 examples for this. What is that I will give you? You see here. Some this they are given. And they are called as ipso substitution reaction, but they are not at all mentioned that word in the books also. In NaOH, next temperature condition will be around 590 Kelvin. 590 Kelvin. It gives us to OHNO2. Next one, go for one more example for this Cl NO2 NO2. If we heat with NaOH around 300 Kelvin, it gives us to OH NO2 NO2. You see here. After that, you observe conditions also what I am writing for this Cl NO2 NO2 again NO2. If warm NaOH, just warm, it gives OH NO2 NO2 and you see here, dear student, they are all ipso substitution reactions. They are all ipso substitution reactions. Ipso substitution. In this reaction condition, you see here, this chlorine attacking OH is going outside. Chlorine is going outside, OH is going to attack. But condition 600 degrees, 660 Kelvin, 590 Kelvin, 330 Kelvin, just warm. Just warm means around 50. Why this temperature? You see here, all the side chlorine going to OH, chlorine going to OH, chlorine going to. But one thing in this you have to observe, this NO2 group is increasing. Here only one NO2, here two NO2 groups, here is three NO2 groups. Where the number of NO2 means electron withdrawing group, they are called as electron withdrawing group. Where the electron withdrawing group is increases, the temperature condition will be decreases. Electron withdrawing group temperature condition decreases. From this, that's why Organic chemistry is very logical chemistry means organic chemistry. That's why ಇಲ್ಲಿ simple logic ಇರ್ತದೆ. Don't go for confusion. Just practice the reaction. That's important. ಹೆಂಗ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ವಿಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಕೋತ ಹೋಗೋದು ಹೆಂಗ್ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಕೋತ ಹೋಗಿ. ಈಗ ಅದೇ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ವಿಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ ಬದಲು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಡೊನೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಅವಾಗ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್, ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಡೊನೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಅವಾಗ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತ ಹೋಗಕ್ಕೆ. Therefore, this is what they are called as electron substitution reactions. Next, we'll go for the electrophilic substitution reactions for the haloarenes. This is what I explained that these haloarenes does not involve the nucleophilic substitution reaction. Why means first I shall tell you firstly. These haloarenes does not involve nucleophilic substitution because of due to one is first it forms the stability with the resonance structure. First reason, due to this stability, it forms a double bonds with carbon as well as halogen. Next one, second reason, it forms the one is sp3 hybridized. This is sp2. It halogen attached to the sp2. That benzene means sp2 carbon. Therefore, halogen attached to sp2 carbon. It is very tightly bound. Therefore, it does not involve the nucleophilic substitution reaction. Third reason is it forms the. It does not form the stable carbocation. It phenyl carbocation is very unstable. Therefore, it does not involve the nucleophilic substitution reaction, and it is phenyl carbocation is already electron rich, and nucleophile also electron rich. Therefore, due to this electron rich species, there will be repulsion takes place. That's why for these four reasons, this nucleophilic substitution reaction does not take place for the haloarenes. Next, go for the ಈಗ nucleophile attack ಆಗೋದ್ರಿಂದ electrophile attack ಆಗಬೇಕಲ್ಲ. Therefore, next concept is electrophilic substitution reactions for the haloarenes. I will change this code.